Today, we're going to see if we can repair the Smith and Wesson Model 41 rear sight and maybe save our customer a little bit of money at the same time. A replacement sight or blade can be costly. Our first attempt will be to put some brass jaws in this vise and try to just squeeze the blade flat and see how that goes.
Well, that had absolutely no effect. Well, maybe a little bit over here. Didn't do anything with this. So, not completely ready to give up on this. I do have a spare one of these that I can sell the customer. So it's kind of a last ditch attempt to keep them from having to buy another one. I'm just going to give it a little tap here. Okay, look. Huh. It's a marked improvement. I'll give it another try. Being careful to only hit the blade, none of this adjustment mechanism.
That seemed to help. Let's do it some more.
I'm going to take a file and just take a little bit of that ding off. I'm going to put a stone across the top to flatten it out and take out those file marks. Yeah, I think we've got a marked improvement. Marked. It has a little bit of a curl on this edge, but you know that metal's been moved. It's not coming back. Straight on the back. I think our customer will be happy with that, rather than buy a whole new set for a blade.
The last thing we're going to do is clean up the top of the sight with some denatured alcohol And we'll add some Brownell's Oxo Blue to protect it from rusting and to cut down on the glare from the top of the sight. Finally, we'll put a coat of Blistol to protect the finish. Sometimes these little jobs can be just as satisfying as doing a rebluing job or refinishing job on a rifle. It's great to be able to get this back to the customer and he can do some shooting and it won't cost him a fortune to get this repaired.